5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start line 100, short 5 right, into long 6 left minus, 5 right tightens 4 minus, 4 left plus 50, 4 left plus 50, flat 6 left 100, 6 right 100, up, 6 right 100 up, flat 7 left, line 50, 6 right on crest, go 150, 4 left opens 100, 4 left opens 100 here, flat 7 right tightens short 5 minus, tightens 5 minus here, line 100. Long 6 right, minus 50. What? 6 right, minus 50. Short 5 left, minus 30. Very short 6 left, minus into 4 right plus, opens over crest, 100.
I don't hear it.
4 right plus, opens over crest, 100. 6 right minus.
Yeah.
Keep right over crest.
Yeah.
Into 4 left plus 80. 6 right minus, hug at pole. Go, 100 over bridge, tarmac.
Yeah.
Keep right into 3 left. 5 right minus up, over bridge, short 5 left plus gravel, line 80. Short 5 left plus line 100.
Yeah.
Into long 3 right opens nips. Short 3 left. 5 right opens. Short 6 right minus, go 100.
Do what?
Short 6 right minus, go 100.
Yeah,
short 6 left minus 50.
Yeah.
Short 4 left plus. Five left plus minus into very long hairpin 2 right. Long 4 left nips. 3 right opens. 3 right opens and tightens 2. Into 4 left plus go. Line 50. 2 left. Short 3 right. Short 3 left. 3 right.
Yeah.
5 left minus at rail. Long 3 right opens, tightens. Long 3 left nips. 2 right up. 80. 4 left plus at narrow and sign.
2 right.
4 left plus narrow and sign. Opens, tightens 4. 30. 3 right minus. 80. 6 left minus, 6 left up, 50. 6 left go. 80. 6 left go, 80 here. Short 5 right minus at pole 30. Short 4 left, line 100. Tarmac, care, keep right over crest gravel, 6 right and 5 left plus. 4 right plus 30. 6 left, braking, tightens 3. 30. Long 5 left. 40 narrow, long 3 right tidy. 100. Brake hairpin 2 left.
Nice.
50. 2 right. 3 left plus, tarmac. Hairpin 2 right gravel. Care, long 6 left braking. Long 6 left braking tightens to a very short 3 left nips. Long 6 left braking. Yep. Into 2 right and 3 left minus. 3 right minus 30.
Waiting.
5 left plus 80.
Yeah.
5 right tightens 3. Don't go wide. Long 3 left. Short 5 right. Nips. 3 left opens 30.
Short what?
Short 5 right, no,
yeah,
nips 3 left. Yep, 30. 5 left minus, tarmac. 2 right, hug, gravel. short 5 left minus, brake, 3 right minus, opens at rail, short 5 left 50, short 3 left 40, 5 left here, 3 left 40, short 4 left nips into immediate 2 right, long 4 left tarmac, long 4 left tarmac, hairpin 2 right 30, short 3 left, short 5 right plus 30, 5 left tightens 3 40, short 5 left minus 50, long 5 right tightens 5 minus, opens, tightens, braking 2 left, tightens here, opens again, tightens, braking 2 left 80, short 6 left minus, into long 5 right minus, 6 left into 5 right minus 40, long 4 left, don't go wide on exit, line 150, six right minus tarmac at the end, through bridge, 5 right, caution slow bump. Very long 5 right, gravel, short 3 left, very long here, short 3 left, flat 6 right, minus, short 6 left minus, braking 30, 3 left, opens 150, muddy, long 6 right, tightens 5 at rail,
Long 6.
6 right, tightens 5 at rail, tightens at the rail, line 40, short 5 right 30, 5 left plus tightens 5 minus 60, flat 6 right hug 60, 5 left here, flat 6 right hug 60,
next one.
long 6 left tightens 5, line 100, flat 6 left at sign, tarmac, bridge, very long 5 right plus, into 4 left opens, it's very long 5 right plus into 4 left opens, 6 right minus over crest, tightens 5 at the rail tightens 5, nips 4 left plus 50, flat 6 left, long 6 right minus over crest,
Next one.
3 left minus immediate, short 5 left minus, over the crest, over the go, 3 left minus here, and short 5 left minus, very long 6 right minus, very long, and then 5 right plus at the rail, 100,
Pussy.
short 6 right minus 30, short 5 right don't go wide, flat 6 left minus up,
Flat 6 left one.
5 left plus, into short 4 right, into 3 left nips, immediate 3 right, 4 left tightens 3, 4 left tightens 3 here, immediate 5 right plus, flat 7 left 80, short 5 right plus, short 5 left plus here, 30, 6 left minus, tightens 4, nice, 30,
Just in time.
short 5 right plus, line 60, short 5 right again, at rail 100, flat 6 right plus, tightens 5 plus, and then braking short 4 left plus 80, three left, short 4 right plus, short 4 left plus, 4 right plus through finish. Nice.
Nice, that's pretty good. Tight ES.
Yeah.
That's what we wanted.